వెల్కమ్ టు ఐక్యూ ఆప్షన్ తెలుగు. ఇంతవరకు నా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. అలాగే నా వీడియోస్ నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి. లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ట్రేడింగ్. ద పేర్ ఈస్ USDCHF. టుడే is Saturday. The market is OTC market. Okay, I go with call. This level is SNR level and round number 2. Previously from this level the market is rejected. See here the huge rejection from buyers, and once again here also the rejected. This total area is buyers area right now. Let's see what happened. The market is still going down. Major trend is downtrend, but in this level the market will rejecting. Okay, once again I take a call. Previously the market from this level reversed yesterday. Huge reverse. Okay, I won this trade. Stay safe. Again the market is going down. Strong sellers entry. Okay, the buyers are again entered. This is the round number. This area is round number, this one is round number. Round number is crossed. Okay, again I will go with call because the market is reversing from this level. Buyers are previously entered in this area. Okay, again I go with sellers because of strong downtrend. This is a small retracement. The next level is here. Okay, still buyers are trying to okay. Okay, this one also I won this trade. Okay. I just missed my trade. Okay, from this level I am expecting down. In this area sellers are very strong, but buyers are still active. Okay, 160. This market is not good. Wait for the right moment. This is also not a good market. A lot of wicks. No, we won't trade here. Hello, sir. What's dollar 6789, sir? Okay, sir. This is the strong sellers area. That's why I placed a lower. This level also this level is previously strong support level, and right now this level is again the level is strong resistance level. From this level, this is a very strong uptrend, and right now the market is changing to downtrend. Because this can wait for this candle, because the moment right now the momentum is very bullish momentum. In this last half an hour, it may go up or down. Check out who's entering the market. The main trend is downtrend. This level the buyers are still active. That's why the market is reversed to up. Okay, from this level I go with buyers, because I saw some rejections in this previously. I saw some rejections, and this level is very strong buyers entry. Previously the buyers are entered here and here and here, and this candle closes at the right now, but this candle is closes at buyers area. That's why I placed this call confidently. The next level is here. At to this level we go with buyers, no problem. The buyers are strong in this area. This is my first trade. From this level I took call because of previous rejections, and this is also a buyer's area. That's why this candle also some rejection. That's why I take a call. But momentum wise totally bearish momentum. That's why this candle is came. I lost this trade, and my next trade is again I take a call from this level because of rejection, and this area also buyer's area. That's why I take a call here slightly after a safety of margin. That's why I won this trade. And my second trade, and again I take a call because of near the trend line. The previous candle also rejection, and this candle also rejection, and third candle I take a call. That's why I won this trade. And my fourth trade, from this level I took put, and this one is the some small retracement candle, and trend is totally a downtrend. That's why I took put here. This also I won this trade. And my fifth trade, change the pair and GBP USD, and this trend line, and the area is a seller's area. That's why it once touched this trend line, I took a put lower. That's why I won this trade again. Again my 6th trade AU decade. Again I change the pair in this level, in this area, and this is a strong SNR level. Previously this is the support level, and right now once SNR and trend line both touch this area, and this is a strong right now the strong resistance level. That's why I took here put. I won this trade also on my 6th trade. After a strong bullish momentum, once this candle closes at buyer's area, that's why I take a call here. I won this trade also. Finally I take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades. One trade, first trade is lost, and after 6 won all 6 trades. If you like my videos, please share and like and comment. Thank you.